Ever feel like you know the words but your mind just goes blank? Or you start talking and it just doesn't sound right? You're not alone. Most English learners feel this. The hesitation, the fear, the self-doubt. But here's the truth. Confidence isn't a gift, it's a skill. And today, you're going to build it. With real English you can actually use. Welcome to Native English Practice, your daily place for real speaking practice. In this video, you'll hear a natural, real-life conversation with native-style English, full of everyday phrases and expressions. Then we'll dive into the most important part, shadowing practice. The fastest way to boost fluency, confidence, and clear pronunciation. It's simple, it's fun, and it works. Let's begin. Hey, delivery for Maya.
That's me. Hey, you came through the storm.
Yeah, it's raining a lot out there. My jacket is totally wet.
Oh, wow, you must be cold. Want to come inside for a second?
Thanks, but I'll stay here. I don't want to make your floor wet.
Okay, fair enough. Let me find my wallet. Somewhere here.
No problem. People lose things all the time.
That's so true.
One time, a guy forgot he even ordered food.
Really?
Yeah. I waited outside for 5 minutes. I thought it was the wrong house.
That sounds like me sometimes. Okay, I found it.
Great. What's the name on the order? Maya, right?
Yep, that's me.
Awesome. Here's your food. Chicken Alfredo, garlic bread, and salad.
Nice. It smells amazing.
Yeah, this food always makes me hungry when I deliver it.
Do you ever take one fry or something?
No way. I'd lose my job fast.
But it might be worth it.
Maybe. Okay, total is $18.75.
Here's 20. You can keep the change.
Oh, wow. Thanks. That's really kind of you.
You deserve it. You're working in this rain.
Yeah, it's a wild night. Traffic is bad and my phone keeps acting weird.
Ugh, same here. My phone freezes every time I open maps.
Same. I think my phone just gave up.
Technology hates everyone.
No kidding.
So, how long have you been doing deliveries?
About a year now. I do it part-time. I'm in college, too.
Oh, nice. What are you studying?
Marketing. Trying to get my foot in the door somewhere big.
That's a great field. You must be busy, though.
Yeah. Between classes and driving all night, I barely have a life.
Same here. I'm glued to my laptop 24/7 for work.
What do you do?
I work for a design agency, mostly social media stuff.
What do you do?
I work for a design agency, mostly social media stuff.
Not as cool as it sounds.
Oh, come on. That's awesome. You get to be creative every day.
Depends on the client. Some of them want 10 designs in 2 hours.
Oof, that's brutal.
Tell me about it. I need a vacation.
Don't we all?
You must have some wild stories from delivery runs.
Oh, yeah. You wouldn't believe half the stuff I've seen.
Try me.
Okay. Once I delivered pizza to this guy wearing a full Batman suit.
No way.
I swear. He opened the door, said, "The city is safe again," and just handed me cash.
That's gold. I would have died trying not to laugh.
Yeah, I barely kept it together.
You meet all kinds of people in this job, huh?
Oh yeah, from super nice to straight up rude.
Rude how?
One lady yelled at me because her fries were cold. In December.
People are unbelievable sometimes.
You can say that again.
So, are you from around here?
Yeah, born and raised. You?
Moved here last year for work. Still getting used to the weather.
Yeah, the rain here has a mind of its own.
Tell me about it. It was sunny this morning, and now it's like a monsoon.
Exactly. Welcome to the city.
Thanks, I guess.
But hey, at least the food's good.
True. Food delivery is my love language.
That's one I can actually speak fluently.
Lucky me.
So, you had a rough day, or what? You look beat.
Ugh, yeah. My boss changed the deadline again.
Oh man, that's the worst.
Yeah. I had everything planned and then boom, new timeline.
Classic. That kind of stuff really throws you off.
Totally. It's like, what's even the point of planning?
Been there.
How do you stay chill with all this chaos?
I just go with the flow, you know?
I wish I could do that. I panic when things go off track.
Yeah, it takes practice. Or maybe I've just given up.
That too.
Oh man, I have like 3 more orders before 9.
Oof, long night ahead.
Yeah, but bad weather means more orders. So more tips.
Silver lining, I guess.
Exactly.
So you drive all night?
Pretty much. I start around 5 and finish by midnight.
Wow, that's a grind.
Yeah, sometimes it gets hectic, especially on weekends.
I can imagine. My office on Fridays is like a zoo. You ever get lost?
All the time. GPS sends me to weird places sometimes.
Yeah, mine once told me to turn left, right into a lake.
Classic. My app once said, "You have arrived," while I was on a highway.
Perfect place for dinner.
Yep, right between traffic and chaos.
I'd cry if that happened to me.
Oh, I almost did the first week.
I bet.
You ever work with clients who drive you nuts?
Every single day. One guy wanted 50 logos in 2 hours.
50?
I know, right? I told him it's impossible, and he said, use AI.
Wow, that's next level.
Yeah, I'm still recovering emotionally.
I feel that.
What about you? Ever had to deal with crazy customers?
Oh, for sure. Once a guy called me 10 times asking where his sandwich was.
10?
Yeah, I was literally outside his house the whole time.
Oh my God, people are wild.
You can't make this stuff up.
So, do you like your job?
Honestly, yeah. It's tiring, but I meet cool people.
Like me, obviously.
Exactly.
You're good with people. You could do sales or something.
Yeah, maybe. But for now, I'm just trying to keep my head above water.
Yeah, adult life's tough.
Totally.
You know, you're actually really easy to talk to.
Thanks. Same to you.
Most delivery people just hand the bag and leave.
Yeah, but a little small talk never hurts. Makes the job less robotic.
True. And you're not awkward like most people.
Years of practice talking to doors that don't open fast enough.
That's hilarious.
Anyway, I should probably hit the road.
Yeah, before it rains again.
Too late. Sounds like it's raining hard already.
Oh no. Stay safe out there. Seriously.
Will do. Thanks, Maya.
Have a good night, Jake.
You too. Enjoy the food.
I will. Bye.
Later. Great work. You didn't just watch, you practiced. And that's exactly how you improve. And don't stop here. Click the next video right here for another real-life situation you can master today. See you there. Real English. Real practice. Real progress. Only with us.